So, good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, before we start, can you please stand up for our opening prayer? So, can you please sit down? So, before we start our discussion this afternoon, so I have three rules that you can follow in this room. So, una, move tayo ng ayos. Pangalawa, punutin natin yung konting basura sa ating ilalim sa upuan. At pangatlo, magbigay ng respeto at makinig ng mabuti sa guro na nagsasalita sa unahan. Maliwanag ba mga bata? Okay, very good. So, bago tayo magsimula, ay meron ako dito mga dalawang papakita at ngayon ay ating ilalalim kung ano ang mga tulong nito. Para sa unang picture, ano ang tunog ng ambulansya? Very good. Ang tunog ng ambulansya ay pipo, pipo. Sunod. Ano ang tunog ng motorbike? Very good. At sa uli, ano ang tunog ng jeep? Magaling. Sa inyong palagay, ano ang ating tatalakayin bukod sa mga narawang ating pinakita na malalakas ang mga tunog nito?
Sir,
Yeah.
noise pollution.
Very good. Makikita naman natin sa mga larawang ating pinakita na ang mga sasakyan nito ay mga malalakas ang mga tunog. Narito ang iba't ibang uri ng mga kagamitan ng mga bahay upang construction na malalakas ang tunog. Bago tayo dumato, ito ang ating tatalakayin sa ating ito ay itong noise pollution. So, noise pollution is unwanted sound coming from industrial companies with machinery and other devices producing loud sound. So first, the industrialization. Noise coming from these big machines producing large amount of noise. For example, compressor, generator, and exhaust fan. So now students, can you please give some examples that give some noise, some large amount of noise for those factories and machines producing large sounds. So can you please give some examples? So there. Come on. Sir, hindi po sir alam. Okay, play. Very good. Okay, for the number 2, poor urban planning in the most developing countries. Poor urban planning is also played out by the role. So, a guest house, large families can share this one space, like overparking, frequent flights, overbases, amenities that leads to noise pollution, which may disrupt the environment of the society. Next, for the number 3 and number 4, transportation. So, vehicle transportation vehicles cause noise pollution.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, the noise coming from vehicles such as train, jeep, motorbikes, and bus, airplane, tricycle, and ambulance. For the number 4, construction activities. Under the construction activities like mining, so yung mga pagdidinan, construction of bridge, yung pag-ayos ng mga tulay, dams, buildings, and station, roads, and flyover gateways in almost every part of the world. So this construction activities take place every day as we need more So, meron ako dito ginagawa group activity. Ngayon ay I will group you into groups. So, for your group activity, can you please list down the different appliances or gadgets in your house that produce noise pollution and traffic sounds. So, ngayon, mag-group tayo sa dalawa. So, bibigay kayo na kahit 2 appliances na makikita nyo sa inyong tahanan at gagawin ay i-ano nyo yung sounds. Okay na? Can you please repeat?
Go.
Okay, class, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please proceed?
Good.
So, what appliances do you have? Cell phone? Oh, okay, can you please